All right, have a good night, teacher. Today I'm going to talk about the mangrove. Since I was a child, I used to go to the mangrove to play, explore, and feel the peace of the mother nature. That shows me how beautiful this kind of forest can be, and how powerful the mangrove can be to the entire wildlife. The mangrove ecosystem is one of the most important of the world's economies and one of the most endangered. By definition, mangroves grow in swamps, which are areas that are fully or intermittently submerged but support populations of trees and other woody plants. In Costa Rica, we have three different kinds of species of mangrove. Three have we have three varying salt tolerance and grow in distinct layers where freshwater streams and rivers meet the sea. Moving in from to the ocean, the first appear are red mangrove, and its scientific name is Rhizophora mangle, which have the highest tolerance, followed by the black mangrove, and its scientific name is Avicennia germinas. And finally, furthest upstream, the white mangrove, and its scientific name is Laguna Lacaria racemosa, which has the lowest tolerance for salt water. The mangroves and the trees are often surrounded by marshes, which are areas that are sometimes covered with the water, but the plants are grasses and herbaceous species rather than trees and shrubs. The trees has a number of unique adaptations to the brackish water. They grow in white and red mangroves have the distinctive aerial prop roots hanging out from their base, and black mangroves grow snorkel like permacultures which provide air to the roots even when they are completely underwater. They also get out salt from their leaves, and sometimes on calm, cloudy days it can be seen as a mist around the crowns, and it can make the leaves and the black mangrove appear white or gray. Two about confusing species, the colorful names refer to the bark and the wood. In addition to providing habitat to raccoons, tropical cats, sloth, and myriad of birds that are easily seen above the water, mangrove forest serve two very important ecological functions underwater. First, their extensive and interlocal roots protect and buffer the shore, collecting and stabilizing sand, leaves, and other organic matter into the muddy soil. Second, and more impressively, they are the nursery for hundreds of fish, crab, shellfish, and other marine species, as well crocodiles. It is function as a nursery which has biological monks concerned because mangroves are being destroyed at very high rate. Some believe that the world's fishermen can suffer over or even collapse without these protected environments where many of the fish caught in the open sea get their new life in the open ocean. You probably won't have to travel far to explore a mangrove swamp. We will be through forests in the far northwest of Guanacaste at Santa Rosa National Park, at Tamarindo north of Beach in Las Baudas, Tamar National Park, Central Pacific at Hacienda Baru, really close to Dominical, by the way. The far southwest is near Puerto Jimenez on the Osa Peninsula and nearly everywhere in between. The largest mangrove swamps in Costa Rica and one of the largest in the world. Area at the Terra Basierpe, just north of Osa Peninsula, but small mangrove forests can be found nearly anywhere a river meets the sea. On the Caribbean coast, the best examples are in Gandoca Manzanillo Wildlife Refuge and some smaller areas in Cahuita National Park. Alright, that's all from my exposition for today. Thank you so much. Have a great night.